Hello, this is Cyberdragon. Today I'm going to talk about clickforpost.com. What it is an India leading classified website. What you do on this website is all you do is users can create a free account, 100% free. They can post, they can buy some services or buy some products, and they can also sell services or products online. They offer you 3 months for posting ads on their website for free based on their 3 month trial. It's 100% safe, and the the longer the ad is online, the more money you make. Alright, first thing, let's dive into. Okay, here's some sample ads. Mangak Matrimony. Maybe talk about something. People also sell like cars, and you just call them. Some people like on call, so you just call them for services. But some have prices, but they're in rupees, which is India currency. And Google AdWords, if you need help with like having search words to find specific for your ads on YouTube, like people type it in, you get more click results and more views and subscribers. They'll help you with that. And it also offer jobs. If you need to look for a job that pay work at home, pay between $11 to $67 per hour, like basic stuff like customer service, data entry, and more. They also have those. They offer all services, mostly is in India, but they offer in the United States as well. New Delhi, Dhandram, Hyderabad, and so forth. Alright. They also have real estate job classify and use furniture for sale, anything you want to buy. See what else they have. Okay, let's go into the post free ads. See how they do it. Oh, bye. Okay, they got Google ads, related ads, post your ads for free, free ads, manage your free ads. You go to these links, I think they'll just provide you like, go to Google ads. How to get more customers, then they'll tell you how to sign up. You can also call the phone number. They're open 7 days a week, 5 days a week, Eastern Standard Time. If you want to post your ads for free, you can post your ads for free on their website, or they provide you a lot of other websites you can apply. I'll, I'll provide some links at the end of the video. Okay, let's see what else they have. Alright, let's say you want to buy. Most today, people like to buy electronics. You can buy, sell, rent, and exchange. They have different services. Most of these services are all in India, but they have some in the United States. If you want digital dreams, Lenovo, buy some computer pro. 25,000 rupees. You have to convert to US as how much? Which you'll have to do with a financial calculator. Okay, let's see. They also have a blog, which will detail about like product services and what people say about their products and services. And your common question, how to post an ad online. How you answer to an ad. You mostly email them. Let's see everything else they have. Everything's mostly email. Yeah. Okay, let's see. You can see the privacy policy, which mean what they do. Safety tips. Safety tips, I think they just to you like how to keep all your information. Okay, how everything is paid. They tell you what to do when you sell something online through advertising. Do research about the products you want to buy. Ask all the questions about the product before being sold. Ask to inspect the product before you buy it. Meet the seller at a public location. Buy the product. Cash is the best form of payment. So pretty much, let's see what not to do. Do not give out personal information. Sellers have to verify the information. Answer the question if someone offers to buy. Find a way to ensure like a good deal. Prepare like open, discuss price, product, service condition, and then close the deal, make a service. So pretty much all these are like so far it looks like it's based in India, but you can post it in the United States. Someone in India maybe buy it. So this is mostly for India customers, but you can also operate in the United States. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.